get some worm. And hopefully the early rise we get some fish. Anyway, gonna go try my hand, try my new rig. See if I can't figure out how to catch some fish out here. Looking for some coho. And my buddy Joe recommended the coho killer. Swears by it, so we're gonna go see if Joji is correct with the coho killer. Everyone else is still sleeping. The sun hasn't come up over the hill yet. And it's just glassy. Perfect recipe for some salmon. I don't think I'll be able to film it because small boat. And I don't want to lose my phone. But we will see if I can come back with the salmon. I'll take a picture. Oh yeah. Going through Active Pass. Have a great current going with us. And we are flying. Yeah, jibs up 2, good winds. It says we'll probably make False Creek around 3:40, but I bet it's going to be closer to 4:30. Winds will shift a little bit and then die out. Anyway, it'll be fun no matter what. We should be seeing a ferry sometime soon too. Yee-hoo. We haven't really had wind all day, and then all of a sudden, boom! Just past Point Grey, Vancouver, heading in, and now we're cruising 7 knots. Got a nice feel going on. Woohoo! Charity's on helm, killing it. Yoo-hoo! Hunter 336 for the win. Oh, I fear it every time. I know it's high enough, but still. Can't help but think. Good job, little duck buddy. Clean yourself up. Little duck bath. Duck, 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 dive. Duck, 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 dive. What a fun little duck. What a fun little duck. These are entertainment for tonight. Charity, what do you want to name the little duck?
Quack.
He's kind of a quack, isn't he? Yeah.
So Bart and I have never enjoyed Vancouver as much as we do from the boat. There's something really special about anchoring in False Creek. You're right downtown. This picture was taken on a jog that I went on after we anchored. It's just totally beautiful, totally stunning. You're right close to Granville Island and Yaletown, and it's just a really nice way to see the city. There's a lot of docks. You can dock your dinghy. And yeah, you can anchor in False Creek for 2 weeks a year. So it's really been a great experience.
Charity, what did we get up to today?
Oh, we went to Granville Island and got stuff for our boat and stuff for
Our trip?
our trip, yes.
And a new water jug!
Woo! Oh yeah.
So much water.
Spinning.
So much water on board. And now we're arriving back at the beautiful, lovely
Perfect.
Selah. You'll know Selah because she'll say Selah on it. Yeah. In back is beautiful Vancouver. We're gonna leave now because we've gotten everything we need, and we want to go spend an extra day at Smuggler's Cove. So we are
Heading
here. We are here.
Bye. Sails up. Later, Vancouver.
So tried fishing the other day, and it was kind of a hassle because Well, it was just me in the boat. Nothing seemed to be working, but I tightened that up so the rod holder's actually holding without me holding onto it. And you'll notice the engine is up, not doing anything. And the lines are like, you know, just at a nice 30 degrees there. Check it out. The big boat's pulling us. Charity's at the helm and I get to fish. This is the bomb. The winds are just perfect to do 1.5, 1.7 knots. Charity's there to tweak them if she needs to. And it's just a glorious blue bomber day on the sea. Yeah, I'm getting jerked around a lot just by being towed, so I gotta get a schnubber on this this tow line so that I can be way more comfortable. That's for the next round. Fishing day number 2. So far, a success. Yeah. Well, I haven't caught anything yet, but soon. That rod's gonna start bouncing any second.